Amid rising concerns over the Omicron strain of coronavirus, Prime Minister Modi is chairing a meeting today on the COVID-19 situation in the country. The meeting will be attended by top government officials on the COVID-19 and vaccine situation in the country. Even as the Indian government was winding down restrictions on international travel, concerns over the new COVID strain has kept several countries on the travel ban list. South Africa, Botswana, Israel and Hong Kong are on the at-risk list as of Thursday night, meaning only 75% of scheduled passenger flights will be allowed till further notice. On Thursday, India called for rigorous screening of passengers from South Africa, Botswana and Hong Kong, and the Health Ministry said this variant has serious public health implications in view of recently relaxed visa restrictions and opening of international travel. The COVID variant dubbed Omicron has almost 50 mutations, some reports say. More the number of mutations on the spike protein, the more likely is the strain to escape existing vaccines. The new strain has 30 mutations on the spike protein and 10 on the receptor binding domain. The spike protein on the coronavirus is essentially the key to piercing human cells, entering and infecting it. Many vaccines target the spike protein. Too many mutations on it can render vaccines ineffective. Meanwhile, United Kingdom, Singapore and Israel have stopped flights from South Africa, Botswana and 4 other African nations. Germany and Italy have also banned most travel from South Africa. The United States has also imposed a travel ban on 7 southern African countries. South Africa has called the world's response as rushed. The WHO too warned against knee-jerk reactions.